Extreme Rules 2019 match card and results. Finn Balor vs. Shinsuke Nakamura for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match and the new Intercontinental Champion, Shinsuke Nakamura. Drew Gulak vs. Tony Nese for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match and still the Cruiserweight Champion, Drew Gulak. Undertaker and Roman Reigns vs. Shane McMahon and Drew McIntyre. The winners of this match, Undertaker and Roman Reigns. The Revival versus the Usos for the Raw Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match, and still the Raw Tag Team Champions, the Revival. Aleister Black versus Cesaro. The winner of this match was Aleister Black. Bayley versus Alexa Bliss and Nikki Cross in a handicap match. The winner of this match, retaining the SmackDown Women's Champion, Bayley. Bobby Lashley versus Braun Strowman. The winner of this match was Braun Strowman. The New Day versus Eric Rowan and Daniel Bryan versus Heavy Machinery for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions, the New Day. Ricochet versus AJ Styles for the United States Champion. The winner of this match and the new United States Champion, AJ Styles. Kevin Owens versus Dolph Ziggler. The winner of this match was Kevin Owens. Kofi Kingston versus Samoa Joe for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match was Kofi Kingston, retaining the WWE Champion. Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins versus Baron Corbin and Lacey Evans in a mixed tag team winner-takes-all match. The winners of the match, retaining their champions, were Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch. After the match, Brock Lesnar cashed in his Money in the Bank contract. Brock Lesnar versus Seth Rollins for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match and the new Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar.